It's Jessica from Transita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how I braid a 5-strand braid. Section off a piece of hair, and as I'm braiding palms down, I am always separating the strands between the gaps of my fingers. So we start with sectioning the piece of hair into 3 pieces. Then start braiding the right strand over the middle and the left strand over the middle. So take a 4th strand now from the left hand side and bring it under the neighbor strand and over the middle strand. Take the 5th strand from the right and bring it under the neighbor strand and over the middle. Now we have our 5 strands and we start to separate them with our fingers. Hold the last strand with your thumb and add in hair now from the left side. Bring these together under the neighbor strand, and now put the little finger holding these 2 strands and pull with the ring finger the 3rd strand, the one that is in the middle, under the neighbor strand, and put your fingers again between the strands. I show it again from the other side. Take an extra strand of hair from the right hand side, add it in, bring it under, hold the strand that you have now on the very right side with the little finger, and with the ring finger you put the 3rd strand under its neighbor and immediately into the new gaps the other fingers. Take a new strand of hair again from the left, add it to the left strand. These 2 you bring under its neighbor and you hold the neighbor with the little finger. And now with the ring finger you go under the 2nd strand and pull the 3rd strand under it, and with your other fingers you go into the gaps. Take new hair, add it to the existing right strand, bring both under, hold the new right strand with the little finger and put the others in the gaps. This needs a bit of practice, but you will see that the braid won't loosen up. You will always hold all the strands together tight and the result will be much neater. Keep on braiding this way, and as we want to do a half up style, ending up this braid into a little messy bun, I'm adding in the hair until I reach the ears more or less. When the last strands over the top of the ear are included, I just braid 2 or 3 more times and then tie it off with a little elastic. You can leave the braid like it is or just pancake it and make it a bit bigger. Take your time when you pancake the braid, because once you pull it too far out, it's difficult to bring it in again. So just pull the outer edges until you have the result that you like. For the messy bun, I take the little ponytail and I split it into 2 strands. I turn 1 strand to the right and bring it over to the left. So turn to the right and bring over to the left until you reach the end of the braid. And then before you put the elastic in, just open the braid a bit, make it a bit messy, as much as you want the bun to be fluffy or big or messy. Then wrap the rope twist braid around the little elastic and pin it in place with bobby pins. And you're done. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to have some more inspiration, check out our Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.